Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. I've created this channel to provide information on investing, saving money, managing your money, budgeting, getting out of debt, building wealth, and entrepreneurship. Today, I'm going to talk about how to invest $3,000. Before I get into the video, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I will try to personally reply to your comments. Let's get into the video. As we know today, personal finance is very important in today's world, mainly because it involves a lot about money. So what is money? Money is any item that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services. There is a lot of advantages of money. For example, money gives you freedom. Money also gives you the power to pursue your dreams, and it gives you security. Now, I want to look at ways you can invest $3,000. One way is putting the $3,000 into an emergency fund. You want to have an emergency fund set up because things happens in life when we least expect it. For example, the engine in your car can get damaged and it will cost you $1,400 to fix it. You can always go to the emergency fund account and take the $1,400 for the repairs of the car without having any financial hardship. I recommend having around 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in this account because it will put your mind at ease. Another way we can use the $3,000 is to paying off student loans. Student loans tend to come with high interest rates, so we want to pay off the student loan debt as quick as possible because the more we keep the student loans, it will be affecting our ability to build wealth. So the money we pay every month towards the student loan, that's money we could be putting towards an investment vehicle to build wealth. So we definitely want to pay off the student loans as quick as possible because the money we had put in towards the loan, that's money we will be putting into investments in the future. Another way to invest the $3,000 is using it to pay off credit card debt. We Same thing like the student loans. We want to pay off those credit card debts as quick as possible, especially if we have high balances on them. Let's say we have a credit card which has a balance of 10 to 15,000. The monthly payments we are making towards that balance, we could easily be putting that towards an investment to build wealth. And so we want to pay off the credit card debt as quick as possible so we can have that money to put towards building wealth also. Also, car loans. Car loans, we also want to pay off that kind of debt. We do not want to have car loans paying monthly for a long while because this also hampers our ability to build wealth. The average car loan in the United States per monthly payment on a car loan is the average of $300 to $500. So that's $300 to $500 we could be putting towards an investment vehicle to build wealth. So we want to look about paying that off as quick as possible, car loans. So the $3,000 we can definitely put it towards paying off any car loans we have or put it towards the balance of a car loan. Another thing is investing in our education. For example, you could pay for a semester at a college to further your studies on a degree that will enhance your career. For example, you could enroll to take a business course on management, which will teach you about how to go about running a business as a business owner. Also, in terms of education, you could also buy a course to enhance your skills in a specific area. A next way to invest the $3,000, and that's one of my favorites way, is the Roth IRA. The Roth IRA, which is the individual retirement account, um, it grows tax free into retirement. So I would definitely put the $3,000 towards the Roth IRA. You can put $500 per month for a maximum of 6,000 per year. So that's a great retirement vehicle. You could put the $3,000 towards, which is the Roth IRA. Another account you could invest the $3,000 is in your 401k at work. You could put it towards your 401k plan. Your employer offer the 401k. You could invest in that. The 401k is great too because you can get a company match. Your employer can match. For example, if you put $200 and they have a 4% match, you can match up to the $200. So that's a great way to build wealth, the 401k at your job. So you definitely want to be enrolling into the 401k at your work. I recommend that always sign up for your 401k plan at your job. Another area is you have the brokerage accounts. Those are non-retirement. You can invest in those. It's a non-retirement investment account, um, which is investment in taxable investment. It's a taxable investment. For example, you can invest in index funds. So you could purchase the S&P 500 index funds with the $3,000. On average, the S&P 500 index fund has an average return of 8 to 10% interest rate. So that's another way you could build wealth. That's a great account you could open in terms of investing. That's not retirement investing. The a brokerage account with the S&P 500 index fund as the fund into as the fund that's in the brokerage. Real estate, of course, we can use that towards the down payment of a purchase of of your home. If you're looking to buy a home, you could put the $3,000 towards a down payment. As we know, real estate it's a good investment. It appreciates, so we want to always look into buy. It's always good to purchase real estate, especially for our living area, for security as to where we want to live and so on. So real estate is always a good investment. And when you have equity in the house, it builds wealth. Real estate always tends to appreciate over the lifetime. So real estate is a good way to put the $3,000 down towards. Another thing is business. You could open a business with the $3,000, and that's a real good investment. This one is really good too. Actually, this is an excellent investment because you can increase your income very fast by owning your own business. This might help you generate wealth much quicker than investing in the stock market. But as we know, you will always still invest in the stock market. However, opening your own business is a great way to generate wealth. It's really a perfect way because there's no limit on your income as a business owner. If you work for somebody, you for a company, you and they're paying you 60,000 per year. That's what they're paying you. But as a business owner, you can always increase your income, and as I said, you can actually build wealth quicker by owning your own business. So that's a great way to invest the $3,000 in is opening your own business. So, in conclusion, investing $3,000 into an emergency fund towards paying off student loans, towards credit card loans, towards car loans, towards your education, into retirement investment vehicles like Roth IRAs and 401ks, into a brokerage account, real estate, and opening a business will be a great investment for someone if they want to build wealth and will help contribute to wealth building much quicker than you think. Thanks for watching this video.